All right, let's just quickly get started here. As usual, we'll be focusing on the bull/pennant strategy for the 100 trading challenge, $100 trading challenge. Look at my lessons and trading challenge videos to get a better sense of that. It is still week 2 of the $100 trading challenge. Some things that are new is that I'm going to actually experiment with shorting a small amount of capital on the really big movers from the day before, as long as I see a good trend going downwards. I'm not going to just do it just because it's moved a lot upwards. Also try to do a little bit of fundamental analysis and see if, the reason that something moved 50% or 200% is justified, in order to see if it's actually just a overreaction upwards, or there is actually some reason that it's moving upwards so much. And even if it does move upwards a lot based on fundamental news, it could be an overreaction. So I'll also be looking out for that as well. Remember to always have a catalyst and a trading plan for each trade. Look for an entry on the second leg of the flag or pennant, even if it's on a downtrend. I'm going to be mainly looking for uptrends still. Going to be checking for volume and market cap before trading any companies to avoid low volume and small market cap companies that are easily manipulated. And I won't discuss this on the video of the watch list, but I'm actually going to be keeping an even stronger eye on the top movers this time, and experimenting with putting more an emphasis on the top movers that have earnings, since I cannot catch it may not be on my watch list, right? So when I look at the top movers each day, I'm going to look at whether or not they have earnings that day, and then give those a little bit more emphasis. And if it has a really, clear setup for a two-legged movement, then I'll even put more emphasis on that stock, even more so than the companies that I mentioned on this watch list today. As always, my source is Earnings Whispers, and remember that everything said on my video is just my opinion based on my trading experience, and it's for educational purposes only. Trading is very risky. Nothing I say is advice or a recommendation. Read the description and trade at your own risk. Now let's get started. So another thing that I did on this one is that I'm going to be focusing primarily on companies that have positive earnings. And why is that? No particular reason. I wanted to experiment with this new concept, and then and also my thought is, in this kind of market environment, if someone isn't making money, then just because they're making less negative money doesn't make it a better company, right? So if somebody is expected to make money but they actually make more than expected, in my head that's a stronger fundamental driving force than just making less negative money. So that's my thesis. I'm going to test it out and see how it works, how well it does. And then so let's just get started. The first company today is T-Mobile. They have $1.23 EPS, which is 23% surprise to the upside, down by 41.4% surprise on the revenue side. GoDaddy, 24 cents EPS, 26.3% upside surprise, 0.2% upside surprise for revenue. Amedisys, it's a health services company, $1.05 earnings per share, 8.2% surprise to the upside, and then negative 4.7% surprise for the revenue. They have a earnings call at 11 a.m. Try trading GM, before their earnings call, and it was obviously, if you can look at the chart, it didn't work out very well for me. So I'm going to stick to waiting till the earnings call going forward before trading any particular stock. Next one is Albemarle. ALB, Specialty Chemicals Company, $1 EPS, which is 16.3% surprise to the upside and 5.4% negative surprise on the revenue side. Neurocrine Bioscience, it's a drugs company, 82 cents EPS, 46.4% surprise to the upside, 8.5% surprise on the revenue side. MetLife was an insurance company, which I'm sure you've heard of, $1.58 EPS, 9% up surprise to the upside and 9.6% surprise to the upside for revenue. Ligand Pharmaceuticals, it's a biopharma company, 62 cents EPS, 93.8% surprise to the upside, and it's 27.3% surprise for revenue. Bristol Myers Squibb, $1.72 EPS, 1% surprise to the upside, 8.6% surprise for revenue. Teva Pharmaceuticals, 73 cents. EPS is 23.7% surprise to the upside, 5.2% surprise to the upside for revenue. Yeti, 10 cents. EPS, 25% surprise to the upside, 10.4% chance surprise to the upside as well. Bosch Health, 89 cents EPS, only 1.1% surprise the upside. So I'm probably not going to give this too much attention unless for some reason it has a really good trend. Revenue was 1.9% surprise, negative surprise. So also a little bit less attractive probably. Hilton Worldwide, which I'm sure you've heard of, is a hotels company, 74 cents EPS, 34.5% surprise the upside, and 0.5% surprise on the revenue side. And they also have an earnings call during the day, which is why it's highlighted at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So if you're working and you want to look for specific stocks that maybe you can trade during the day, this is why I'm highlighting calls that occur during the trading day today. One at 11 for AMED and one at 10 for HLT. All right. That is today's watch list. Like I said, good luck today. Would love to hear what companies you are watching as well in the comments below. And may volatility be ever in your favor. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But I just wanted to go back to this slide real quick and kind of make another emphasis on what's going to be kind of new and what I'm going to be testing today with the $100 trading account. Since it is my smaller account, it's kind of also my experimental account as well. So we shall see how well it does. Let me know if you have any questions. And if not, I will be hopping off shortly. Oh yeah, and please like the video if you found this watch list helpful. I appreciate it. All right. If there is no questions, then I'm going to end my stream there. And may volatility be ever in your favor. Good luck trading.